Welcome to Silkytreat Easy Delicious Cooking. On the menu today, one recipe done in 1 hour 30 minutes start to finish. Fried chicken cilantro croquettes accompanied by Bolognaise sauce. Ingredients: potatoes, butter, salt, pepper, nutmeg, chicken, salt, pepper, cilantro, frying oil. Preparation: clean the chicken, clean and chop cilantro. Bolognaise recipe here, https://www.youtube.com/watch?v=my81pdu-5-k. Slice the peeled and washed potatoes and boil in salted water for 20 minutes or when soft to a knife end. Once cooked, drain the water from the potatoes, add pepper, nutmeg, a generous piece of butter and mash. Leave in the refrigerator to cool it down and be able to manipulate the mashed potatoes into croquettes shapes. Make portions of the mashed potatoes and roll into croquettes. Next, roll in flour, beat the whole eggs, roll the croquettes in it, followed by rolling them in bread crumbs. Warm up neutral frying oil into 2 different pots and fry the chicken, about 20 minutes, in one pot, and the croquettes, about 10 to 15 minutes, in another pot until they turn golden. Serve on a plate, adding cilantro and top with Bolognaise sauce. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comment if you wish.